G'day and welcome to this how-to video. Today I'm showing you a quick and easy way to toast macadamia nuts in the oven. Now you can leave them whole or you can chop them up like I am for this video. First, roughly chop your whole macadamia nuts. You don't need to be precise, just break them into smaller pieces. Spread the chopped nuts in a single even layer on a baking tray, making sure that they're not piled up on top of each other. We'll be baking these nuts at 150 degrees Celsius, which is around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop the tray straight into your preheated oven, and every few minutes, give them a good stir or toss to ensure even browning. They should be a nice golden brown color and very fragrant. Remember, they'll continue to toast a bit on the hot tray, so don't overbake them in the oven. Take them out and immediately transfer them to a cool surface, like another baking tray or plate. This will stop the cooking process. And there you have it, perfectly toasted, roughly chopped macadamia nuts, ready to use in all your favorite recipes. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.